Hey, lovers. Good morning, bitch. How you doing? Good morning, bitch. My Lonnie B voice. Seriously. I'm surprised you say seriously because I say seriously. I just say seriously all the time. Like, I just say all the time to a point where I'll be like, find another word. I need you to find, seriously, I need you to find another word. Get your little puff balls. Today is hair day. So we're going to get all of this done. I think I'm going to put, you want ponytails again?
Yes.
Okay. There's Kelly, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, today is hair day. You want a ponytail? You want a ponytail again? Hey, y'all. What are we doing today? I don't know.
Just woke up, Juice.
Clean up our room.
Yes, we had to clean up the house today.
Mom, I want to vacuum with you.
You want to vacuum with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to vacuum by my own self.
By your own self, okay. So right now I'm about to take Kelly to work. So now, y'all. And I'm sorry for showing y'all my flat chest. How flat my chest is. I just go not for long. So I decided I'm just going to get my boobs done. I'm not going to get my butt done. I'm going to let that grow on its own. Okay? It's just too many risks you got to take. And I got to gain too much weight. And a bitch can't be big. Because I feel like if I get big, y'all, my knees going to pop. Because they so bony. I mean, I know we got regular size bones. And some people just got big ass meat wrapped around it. But because my body is not used to having, you know, bones. I mean, meat. The meat is going to break my bones. Because I feel like for me to have, like, the size badunkadunk that I want, I'm going to have to go to, like, right now, y'all, I'm 102 pounds. I'm going to have to go to 135 pounds. Right, Jules, tell him again. No. Hell no. So, these bad boys got to go down. All right. I was really, honestly, y'all, I was really thinking about getting a mastectomy. I think that's what it's called, a double mastectomy. I'm not really sure how that works, though.
You get up, because you trying to do all of that.
I am up. I gotta do my shoes on. Come on. I'm ready
The
too.
shoes right here.
Okay, come on. Yeah, my house is a mess. My room is a mess without Christmas tree. Me and Kelly, we moved from a house to an apartment so that the girls could go to school in a certain area. Because it was just better out this way than by me. And I would still have to pay for daycare and stuff. So just think about it for a second. We moved everything from that house into an apartment. And it was a 3-story house. So that my shit stay cluttered. I got too many fucking clothes. Like, if y'all see my room, y'all be like, that bitch trifling as hell. But really, inside, I'm not. You know how I really want my house in real life? Like, if I could do this right now, do you know how my house would be? My house would be empty. Not even empty. It would be furniture. Everything would have a place. Like one of them little cubby jumps. Every single thing, all the way down to my silverware, will be in one of those specific areas. I want enough stuff. Like, seriously, I said to Kelly yesterday, how about I throw all the dishes away, except for the pots and pans, and we use paper plates? Or we get enough for our family. Because why we need 25 plates? 25 different types of plates, though. Each different type of plate has 25. When we could just buy 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spoons, 4 forks, 4 knives, 4 fork knives, 4 steak knives, 4 plates, 4 bowls, 4 cups. It's just us 4. So I'm like, why do we have so many of that? Bye, baby. Be good, okay? Okay. You gonna say hi? Hey, lovers.
Good morning.
Yeah. Hi, baby. I'm gonna change out from my tripod to my car situation. So yeah. I can't wait to get in the car.
You. I got it.
Oh yeah.
For some reason, I feel like me getting in the car.
I'm be sad we gotta get a car because I'm never gonna see her again. We gotta get a car before y'all. Let me tell you what she do. She get off of work, probably call me, see what I'm doing. Then be like, oh yeah, I'm about to step to such and such house. And she won't come back to the mall.
I was actually
she
coming home
came
more
home. She did come home
when I
earlier.
didn't have when I had my
When she
car.
had her car, she did. Because she was going out earlier.
Let's be clear.
So
I'm a night owl. She's not. I come alive in the nighttime. Always been like that.
Concerning for me because
I always been like that.
my mother always told me, ain't shit to do after 2 o'clock.
My mama did too, but look at me
There ain't
now.
nothing good out there after 3 o'clock in the morning.
Look at me
Clubs,
now.
pills, and all that.
Look at me now.
Look at her ass.
I'm
there.
getting paper.
My little thought pocket.
I know that.
You better not be.
I'm gonna get that for you.
Look at my little tripod. This thing is really good. This is my first time using it, but this part right here is so flexible. Like, I really like it. Like, this can really hold on to stuff because it has a fabric instead of like rubber. I don't know why they put that rubber shit on there because that shit don't hold. Yeah. A lot of stuff to do today. Yeah, edit video. I'm gonna clean the house. Never mind. And if you haven't watched our, if you have not subscribed to our vlog channel, it's Kueen.KellzTV here on YouTube. I'll leave everything down in the description box, and I'll even put it right here in the little screen. All our social media is on there as well. Make sure y'all tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a motherfucking friend. Yeah. So after Vlogmas, 2019 about to be lit, okay? It is. I'm really excited. Whoop. Hey y'all! We are in the world.
We are at the store.
We are at the store. Which store are we at?
Michael.
We at Michael's, y'all, the greatest place on earth. And guess what, y'all? They got Michael's and Home Goods right next to each other. They know they set me up putting both of them stores next to each other like I'm not gonna go on both. They know they wrong for that. That's disrespectful. Okay. But yeah, y'all, so as y'all can see, we got a little bit of a, oh, I thought somebody fell. We got a little bit of, we didn't get a late start, but it's after the day is over, y'all. So, child, the girls went home, changed. As soon as they get in the house, that's why the outfits look like that. That's the outfits that they decided to put on. But yes, they went home and changed and some more stuff. So we in Michael's because I came in here. I did do a video. I'm gonna do a haul for y'all when I get home. But we came in here the other day and we came in here to get the little sale. I think it was for Black Friday actually. We got calendars. But when I decided to, I haven't used my planner, so I kind of just tucked it away because I already have one. Yes. Oh, look at you, girlfriend. Come to the side so people can walk down the aisle with you. Look at these little flowers. Look at this cute shit. Those are ornaments, though. Oh, look at this one. This Pac-Man ornament. $12. Oh. Well, what's the point of making it? Oh, so you can pay regular price for it. Very smart. Jim. Yep, it is a big one. That's for a huge tree. Baby girl, our tree is barely making it, okay? When we get a high ceiling, we can get a tall tree, which requires those type of ornaments.
Oh, look at the emoji one. Look, it's on my tree.
Look at you talking about some emoji. Let me see.
This is so cute. A disco ball.
It's a disco ball.
Yeah. I can
What you gonna do? What you do under the disco ball?
yes.
Clearly they're shopping. But yeah, back to what I was saying about my thing.
Look. A disco ball.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, so I got a planner, and I didn't realize my planner was just for appointments, so I came back to see if they had any other kind. Oh, she got her little tree. That's good. I came back to see if they had some other planners, because the planner that I got actually is for set up for like, go ahead, watch this lady's ankle. She do not need you running open. Oh, we missed them. I'm trying to help you navigate. I came back to see if they had any more planners, but I need a specific one, because the one that I have is actually for appointments only. Why would I pick that up? See, this is why reading is fundamental. Y'all need to make sure I read, because I didn't. And so now I'm trying to see if they might have another type of thingy. I don't know. Michaels, if you're watching this video, y'all trying it. What am I do? What am I do with $8 flower? A fake one at that for one? This flower's not that cute. I could have made this. That's ridiculous.
This is for princesses.
This for princesses?
Yeah.
Well, girl, we have to put this princess flower back because $8. I'm not doing it. I'm not even a flower chick for real either. I mean, I like them. It's a nice gesture, but don't buy these. I bought one of these. It ripped up the same day. And yes, I put it on right. It comes with 2 little pieces, one in the back, one in the front. I got the silver one. Yeah, I bought one of those bows, and y'all, that bow is all ripped up now. Oh, they didn't get no more shipments? Dang. That's messed up. Actually, the one that I wanted. This is the family planner. There you go, tell them. Step to the side. Step to the side. You can tell your friends which one it is. Go ahead. Ready, you go.
This is Mommy.
Okay. Yeah. So I got this. Actually got this planner because why is there so much glitter in there? Oh, because of this stuff. I needed that. That's the planner I was originally trying to get, because inside, I'll show you guys more when I do like a planning video, which I'll probably do on Tuesday. This is Vlogmas Day 3. So Tuesday, Vlogmas Day 4, I'll show y'all a little bit of planning that I'm going to do, because I should have been did it, but because of Vlogmas and trying to get the videos and stuff out, I didn't really have time to show y'all my planning video. So what I will do is I'll show y'all on tomorrow what I do when I plan and how the book is set up and why I like that one versus the other one. But yeah, so that's all we doing right now. Now I'm about to get in this line. I gotta run outside real quick and get my book so I can exchange it. Can I see the key? The one that I have. Although I really wish they would have had I feel like they should have had a new shipment by now on planners. Like, why is all the planners? I'm about to run. Hopefully I don't get hit. I'm trying to figure out why all the planners. Y'all look at my bow. This is the bow I got from Michael's, right? This is it right here. Look at this shit. This shit all flipped up, fucked up. I got this from Michael's and it was $10. It's supposed to look like that. Like my little pieces on the side. I'm gonna park all dumb on this thing. My little pieces on the side look all crazy and weird and whatnot. But it's gonna make it through because I'm not changing it. Not right now. So yeah, I just feel like they should have some more planners for this style, you know, but they didn't. So we're gonna work with what we got. So now I'm about to go exchange this real quick. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I well, maybe not. I'll just talk to y'all right now. I really wanted to give me a nice little pen situation, but I think I'm gonna get my pen off of Etsy. There's this guy on Etsy, I can't remember his name right offhand, but he makes like really cute personalized pens. No one pen is the same. So I really want to get, yes. I really want to. Pull your little wagon up. So yeah, all right, y'all. I'm just going to go check out and exchange. Oh, let me show y'all the planner that I got. Here, sit this in your thing real quick, Jules. the reason why I picked up this planner is because of this, but it doesn't even tell you what it's for, but it just has, it's like appointment book. All right, let me try to open it real quick. And I was really salty about it. Like, this is how the individual pages look. That's
I was in a front.
like, no, we're at the family planner. Y'all see that tomorrow. The family planner has more options. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and exchange that, and I'll talk to y'all when probably when we go into Home Goods. Jules, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, gotta go.